Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking most profitable, most searchable keyword for your product, or if you are not find most searchable, most unique keyword for your product, then this video is only for you. Finding good profitable keyword on KDP can be really hard. But in this video, I want to show you how to find a profitable keyword with a free tool. So let's go our free website to find out good keyword. Here keywordtool.io. Here we can search any type of niche, any type of book title, then you can find out most searchable keyword, and you can get best selling product and best sell from your product. Then you have to must be find out most searchable keyword. So we can find out mermaid coloring book keyword. Mermaid coloring book keyword. Mermaid coloring book. First of all, we find out mermaid coloring book keyword. So first of all, we can search only coloring book. Here search volume, trend, average, CPC, competition. Here this is a free software, and here we find out a lot of keyword with high competition. Search volume also good. Coloring book for adults, and we note down copy and note down in notepad, and then we search niche. Our niche's first word, mermaid. Mermaid. Then we search whole title, mermaid coloring book. Here we can find a lot of keyword. Uh, so uh, from this keyword we can find out 7 best selling long tail or short keyword, and you can mix long tail and short keyword. From this lot of keyword you can find out 7 most powerful keyword you can make. So guys, if you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So please subscribe to my channel and like, share, comments my video. Thank you so much. Thank you all.